Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Tech Heaven. I am Hashad, and here we provide practical tips to master technology skills through easy tutorial on software and apps, helping you succeed at work and school.
Recuva Google search, download, open site, download free version, Recuva free, advanced, Recuva professional, virtual, automatic update, priority support. Free download, download, file downloading, open, downloads, setup, Recuva, setup, install, view, release, notes, Recuva icon, close, file, picture, open, OK, delete, close, recycle bin, delete from the recycle bin, permanently, close, use Recuva, next, picture, next, in the recycle bin, next, enable, scan one, OK, picture OK, recover on the picture OK. Do you want to restore the same driver? The scan reduce chance of successful recovery? Yes. OK. Minimize, open picture, recover OK. Close.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it to empower your friends in mastering their tech skills. Subscribe for more tutorial, hit the bell icon for updates, and drop down comment with your thoughts. Check out more of our content here and see you in the next one.